Discuss about sonar method. Sonar is an abbreviation of sound navigation and ranging, and it is used to detect objects submerged underwater such as sea rocks and submarines, and it is also used for measuring the depth. Another method we use for indirect distance measurement is triangulation method. This method is used to detect the height of the distant object such as a tower. In this figure, AB is the tower whose height is h, and we have to measure this height h. AC is x. You can say C is a point which is located at a distance x from the base of the tower, and theta is the angle of elevation. You can say ABC is a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle tan theta equal to AB divided by AC. AB is h, AC is x, so tan theta equal to h by x. So h equal to x tan theta. Knowing x and theta, the height h of the tower can be found. In case the tower is on the other side of the river, suppose the tower is on the other side of the river, in such case the elevation of the tower AB is measured at 2 points P and Q separated by a distance x along the same straight line. If theta 1 and theta 2 are the measured angles of elevation at P and Q respectively, then tan theta 1 is equal to h by PA and tan theta 2 equal to h by QA. So what is PA? PA equal to h cot theta 1 and QA equal to h cot theta 2. Now the length x equal to QA minus PA. So that is h cot theta 2 minus h cot theta 1. Take h common, cot theta 2 minus cot theta 1. So what is h? H equal to x divided by cot theta 2 minus cot theta 1. Knowing theta 1, theta 2 and x, the height h of the tower can be found. Now, measurement of the size of astronomical objects. Suppose we have to find the diameter of moon. So indirectly, how can we measure? This method can be used to measure the size of the astronomical object such as the planet or moon. Here P is the observation point, D is the diameter of the moon, and S is the distance of the moon from Earth. So we have central angle theta equal to AB divided by S. AB is the diameter of the moon and S is the distance of moon from Earth. So theta equal to D by S, so D equal to S theta. If S is known, then the diameter AB of the moon can be calculated, theta being measured.